Good morning. We are students of Panimal Institute of Technology who have been selected for the Phase 1B of Unlock Design Contest 2012, and we are now going to demonstrate our project Mini Diagnostic Center. We wanted to build something which is innovative, reliable and useful for the rural people, and this must also bring a great advancement in the medical field of India. In the year 2007, our Health Minister Mr. Anbumani Ramadas proposed a new rule to the medical students that they must work for a year in the rural healthcare of the people after completing their course to serve for the rural healthcare of people. But this was not accepted by the Medical Council of India. This clearly shows that the doctors are not willing to work in the rural areas. So our main aim of the project is to bring the gap between the doctors and the rural healthcare. So our project main motivation relies behind this. Now let's see the working of our. This is the client side. This is where the patient will be using this. Here we are using a 8051 microcontroller which controls entire operation, and we are using Texas Instrument IC ADC0808 where it converts the analog temperature values and give to the microcontroller as digital values. For serial communication we are using the ICs RS232. This is also a Texas Instrument IC, and we are using a heartbeat sensor using the Texas Instrument IC LM358, and this is the temperature sensor where the temperature will be sensed in analog values. This is using the Texas Instrument IC LM35. Here we are using the two relays. One relay is for forward motion of the field dispenser mechanism, other one for backward motion. For the relay driver we are using the Texas Instrument IC ULN2003, and here this is called the rectifier section where the transformer voltage will be rectified and given to the microcontroller. Here we are having the three switches, start and S and no switch. The start switch initiates the entire diagnostic operation, and the S or no switch will give the answers to the series of questions which will be asked by the server side. This is the server side. This is where the doctor rule comes in. Here, this is the window where the doctor sees. Here you can see the heartbeat and temperature value for the patient being diagnosed. And these are the questions where the patient will be asked in the client side. These questions are the questions where the doctor usually asks to the patient in the basic diagnosis process. So whenever the patient answers the questions, if the answer is yes, the checkbox will be ticked here. If the particular answer is no for the respective question, there will be no tick in the checkbox. So on diagnosing all the process, the doctor can see the number of answers in the checkbox, and he can have a look at the heartbeat value and the temperature value. So the doctor is able to diagnose the particular disease using these answers by the questions and the heartbeat and temperature value. So the doctor can give the respective medicine according to the disease. So whenever the doctor selects the medicine, if he gives the sense button, the medicine will be dispensed to the client side using the. This is the field dispenser mechanism. The field dispenser mechanism consists of a DC motor and a pulley arrangement and gear arrangement for the dispensing of the medicine. This is where the medicine will be stored inside. So whenever the doctor gives the medicine, this mechanism whenever the doctor gives the mechanism will push inside the medicine and the medicine will be dispensed out. This is why the medicine will be inside stored. This is just a demo purpose. Actually, this is where the medicine will be stored. Now let's move on to working of our project. So by pressing the start button, the entire process initiates. So the patient will be keeping the hand here. So whenever the patient keeps hand, the LED blinks and the heartbeat value will be measured here. So after measuring the heartbeat value, the patient have to hold the sensor. By holding the sensor, the temperature value will be measured and given to the server side. So thus the heartbeat value and the temperature value will be given in the displayed in the window. So the series of questions will be asked now. So whenever the patient press, the measure will be wrong. Thus the question is asked. So the patient, if the answer is yes, the patient press S button. So if the answer is no, the patient press no button. If the no button is pressed, there should be no tick box. So next question moves on. The heartbeat value and the temperature value is given to the doctor side. The doctor analyzes the heartbeat value and temperature value and sees the answers for the various types of questions. So on analyzing all these parameters, he gives the respected medicine. So on seeing this medicine, the doctor checks which medicine to be given and he sends the medicine here. After the doctor dispenses the medicine will be dispensed by the field dispenser mechanism. So coming to the conclusion, as we all know, healthcare is the primary aspect of every government. So before taking this into the consideration, we are proposing a project in each and every small villages, like a small ATM center with an authorized person. By this, every villages can get diagnosed and be healthy in the future. So let's join our hands in making India as a healthy country in the future. We are also trying to make this system more compact and efficient using the features like ECG and heart murmur using MSB 430 processor. We must thank our HOD Dr. MP Chitra and our professor Mr. S. Ganesh for their kind care and support throughout the entire processes. Without them, there is no progression in our way. We also thank Mr. Sagar Duneja and Mr. Ravi Kumar with this kind support throughout the process. We wholeheartedly thank Texas Instruments for giving us this entire opportunity and providing us a wonderful learning experience throughout the way and giving us an exposure to the practical world and learn what is engineering. Thank you, Texas Instruments.